So let's remind ourselves, the BMW plug-in hybrid models have two drive systems that work together, an electric motor and a combustion engine. So how is driving a plug-in hybrid different? Well, besides the added comfort of silent driving and the extra power for added dynamics, handling a plug-in hybrid can be a bit of a new experience if you want to fully engage in the amazing efficiency of your car. Follow me. Plug-in hybrids can play to their advantages in fuel consumption and in emissions by having the perfect balance between combustion and the electric drive. Now, the key word here is recuperation. It's the recovery of electric energy while driving to recharge the high voltage battery. Now, to best manage the energy flow and use in the car, BMW has developed special features like the Anticipatory Hybrid Drive and Adaptive Recuperation for a carefree, efficient drive. Now, here's a tip for plug-in hybrid drivers, and that is to always use the navigation system. Yes, even when you know the way. That's because there's lots of clever tools working in the background. For example, there's the Anticipatory Hybrid Drive, and that regulates the use of electric power according to your route. Then for everything else, you should pay attention to the updated BMW Live Cockpit Professional, and that works really well with you to drive the plug-in hybrid as efficiently as possible. Then there's the Route Ahead Assistant, which shows you how acceleration and braking saves the most energy, and the central information display, where you can get feedback on the efficiency of your driving style over time. Of course, the familiar BMW drive mode selection still gives you total control over how efficiently, comfortably or sporty you want to drive. And the system can even let your car automatically switch into electric mode when entering into an e-drive zone. Did you hear that? Now, that is the new BMW Start Sound. It's a unique co-creation by BMW sound designer and the Oscar-winning composer Hans Zimmer. What a great way to start your journey. And for that bit of extra sportiness, the new BMW 330e with extra boost gets a 30 kilowatt power increase for maximum acceleration out of the hybrid drive. Thanks to the innovative drive technology and BMW's familiar handling, driving excitement and efficiency are effortlessly united in your BMW plug-in hybrid.